Hi guys, welcome back to the next video. Today we're in a different location. We're in João Pessoa, but right now we're in Bosque dos Sonhos. We just paid R$6 to enter, and there's a beautiful little park here we're going to look at. And where are we going to go look at next?
Farol de Cabo Branco.
I can't remember that name. So, and that's what's significance about that. That's the place that's the most east in the complete Americas, Norte, Centro, y Sul Americas. So we're gonna go take a look at that. But first, let's look at this little park here. It's really interesting. This park is really nice, and one thing I notice about it, if you're out here on a hot sunny day, you can come in here and this is total tree cover and it's much cooler. Just standing in here is much cooler. It's a beautiful park. So we're gonna walk around a little more. This is what we want to look at back here, the most east point in the Americas. So we'll be there in just a minute. I'm gonna enjoy this shade just for a little bit longer.
Muito bonito.
So yeah, this is a great little park here. This is a place where you can have a drink right behind me here. You can have a little snack, a drink, and right in front of me is the bañeros, places where you can eat. And just a minute ago, we looked at, there's like a playground for younger kids there. This is a beautiful place to bring children to. Really nice place. Okay, so we saw some unexpected saguis here, so everybody stopped to look. See if we can take a quick peek here. Alright guys, so this is the place, Farol de Cabo Branco. Once again, it's the most east point in the complete Americas. North America, Central America, and South America. You can't go any more east than right here. Alright guys, so hopefully you enjoyed this video from Bosque dos Sonhos y
Farol de Cabo Branco.
which once again is the most east point in the complete Americas. We enjoyed making this video. We enjoyed this park. If you definitely come to João Pessoa, necesito come here. So thank you for watching the video. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and please subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you on the next video. Ciao, ciao.